Hello everyone and welcome back to VoIP Knowledge. So in this video I have Software UCM and I'm going to show you how to add Software UCM on GDMS Cloud portal. So you must have a valid GDMS account. So I have already logged in my GDMS account, and to add UCM on the GDMS Cloud you must be in GDMS Unified Communication Platform option, and here in the option of UCMRC, navigate on on-premise PBX and now click on the add device, and in the MAC address option we need to paste the MAC address of the software UCM. I'm going to copy and paste here. Now click on next. Now it will ask you to enter the serial number. So I also copied the serial number and giving a name software UCM and site selecting default, and now select activate UCMRC free trial plan plus and save it. So the device has enabled the UCMRC service. Please set the following. So you can set a custom remote access domain, or you can set the default domain. So I'm setting my custom domain. So voipknowledge.gdms.cloud and enable the cloud storage. Now click on the OK. So here we have added the UCM, and currently it is showing pending delivery, so it takes some time. So UCM is online, but it is taking some time in activating the plan. And similarly we can see the status in the PBX and on the dashboard. So here we can see that we have remote connect plan plus and validity date and concurrent calls and remote registration, so 50 users and 1 GB cloud storage. And similarly we can see here in the my plan wave connect address and remote connect URL for the IP phone or the train. So as we can see here, plus plan is activated successfully and we have 1 GB of cloud storage, and we can as well see the CPU resources and memory consumption on the GDMS portal. And now we can register wave through this URL as well. So the wave URL is, and let me register wave. So here in the server address I'm putting the wave GDMS URL, and here I'm giving the extension number from the UCM. So I have starting from 10, and entering the wave password. And now the extension is registered using the cloud URL, and we can see here status. So it is registered on the wave desktop through the URL. So this way you can connect or register your PBX on GDMS Cloud and can use the services of GDMS to register your IP phone or wave. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel.